Hey friends, if you encounter REFS file system blue screen error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disconnect the peripherals. So, peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc., push their own drivers to the system, and that causes a lot of problems. So, the first solution will be to disconnect peripherals, then reconnect them one by one to isolate which one of them will be problematic. The next solution will be to update the drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options and then you can select this option for optional updates. If you find any update here, check it and click on download and install. Okay, and then select download and install. And you also need to update Windows, so go to the Windows update page, and if you have checked for updates or download and install or whatever option you have here in blue, just click on it. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.